My name is Abhishek Kumar Senger and I'm from Dhanbad, Jharkhand, and I was born and brought up over there. I did my engineering from C.V. Raman College of Engineering in Chemical Engineering branch, and after that I went for a job in core sector. I worked for about an year with a company named UHP Technologies, and after that in my college also I was teaching students of class 11th and 12th for JEE and NET. In 2017, I came across Chegg. That was the year, in the month of Feb, I think I gave the test for Chegg and I was hired for this SME post on freelancing basis. And since then, I have been doing this, solving the questions along with my job. So that was a very important part for me, that to learn that it's not about solving 100 of problems in a day, earning a lot. It's about solving few questions, but doing it on regular basis. That is going to help you in the long run. Because when I see now, I often check my account, and nowadays I'm not able to solve those many problems, but still I do, right? So when I see that I have solved around 2200 problems on Chegg platform. And 2200 problems, if you solve any book you take, it won't have 2000 plus problems. So 2200 problems if I have solved, it means I have learned those 2200 problems. In a way, they have enhanced my skill and understanding of the subject. There is one story that in 2018 what happened, that I and one of my friends, we started one venture of educational institute. It was going well, but in midway something happened and then everything stopped. Then at that point of time, I think for 3 and 4 months I was working with Chegg along with some other works, but mainly it was Chegg. So whatever I have worked, I had a good amount with me just because of Chegg. And in the month of Feb in 2018, I had some problem with my left arm and I had to go for a surgery, plastic surgery I had to go, and I think whole cost which was there, I think it was 2 lakh plus, which I spent over that treatment, and everything came out of the earning which I have earned from the Chegg. So I think that was one point of time in my life where Chegg stood for me apart from this COVID time. So more than one time it has helped me. So for me it is really good.